The Quine-McCluskey method is a tabular method for Boolean function minimization. This method provides a systematic algorithmic approach to minimize Boolean functions using a tabular format, ensuring optimal results for complex expressions. The purpose of the Quine-McCluskey method is to find the minimal sum of products form of Boolean functions systematically without relying on human intuition or guesswork. The advantages of this method is that it guarantees optimal results for any number of variables. Unlike Carnot maps, also known as K-maps, which become impractical beyond 6 variables. The process includes 4 steps. Step 1. List the minterms and group them by the number of ones in their binary representation. Step 2. Find the prime implicants by combining terms that differ by only 1 bit. Step 3. Create a prime implicant table, which is a coverage matrix for essential terms. Step 4. Select the minimal covering set to derive the final expression. Let's look at an example. Given the Boolean function f of a, b, c, and d equals the sum of minterms 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 14. In step 1, we group the minterms by the number of ones in their binary representation. Group 0 has 0 ones and contains the minterm 0, represented as 0, 0, 0, 0. Group 1 has 1 1 and contains the minterms 1, 2, and 8, represented as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 0, 0, 0 respectively. Group 2 has 2 ones and contains the minterms 5, 6, 9, and 10, represented as 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 0 respectively. Group 3 has 3 ones and contains the minterms 7 and 14, represented as 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 0 respectively. In step 2, we combine adjacent groups based on specific rules. First, compare terms from consecutive groups only. Second, terms must differ by exactly 1 bit. Third, replace the differing bit with a dash. Fourth, mark combined terms with the check mark. For example, combining minterm 0 and 1, which are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0, 1, results in 0, 0, 0 dash. Combining minterm 0 and 2, which are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1, 0, gives 0, 0 dash 0. Combining minterm 0 and 8, which are 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0, gives dash 0, 0, 0. Similarly, minterm 1 and 5, which are 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1, combine to give 0, 0, 1. Minterm 1 and 9, which are 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1, combine to give dash 0, 0, 1. Minterm 2 and 6, which are 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0, combine to give 0, 1, 0. And minterm 2 and 10, which are 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0, combine to give dash 0, 1, 0. Moving to the next level of combinations, we again apply the same rules. The combination of 0, 1 and 0, 2, which are 0, 0, 0 dash and 0, 0 dash 0, yields 0, 0 dash dash. It is not possible to combine 0, 1 and 8, 9, which are 0, 0, 0 dash and dash 0, 0, 1. The combination of 0, 2 and 0, 8, which are 0, 0 dash 0 and dash 0, 0, 0 yields dash 0 dash 0. Also the combination of 2, 6 and 2, 10, which are 0 dash 1, 0 and dash 0, 1, 0 yields dash dash 1, 0. We continue this process until no more combinations are possible. Now let's identify the prime implicants. P1 is 0, 0, 0 dash, which translates to a bar B bar C bar. P2 is 0, 0 dash 0, which translates to a bar B bar D bar. P3 is dash 0, 0, 0, which translates to B bar C bar D bar. P4 is 0 dash 0, 1, which translates to a bar C bar D. P5 is dash 0, 0, 1, which translates to C bar D. P6 is 0, 1, 1, 1, which translates to a bar B C D. P7 is 1, 1, 1, 0, which translates to A B C D bar. Now we construct the prime implicant coverage table to identify essential prime implicants. The table lists prime implicants P1 through P7 as rows and the original minterms 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 14 as columns. A checkmark indicates that a particular prime implicant covers a specific minterm. Prime implicants that cover unique minterms are essential and marked with a different background color. For example, P1, which is a bar B bar C bar, covers minterms 0 and 1. P2, which is a bar B bar D bar, covers minterms 0 and 2. P3, which is B bar C bar D bar, covers minterms 0, 2, 8, and 10. P4, which is a bar C bar D, covers minterm 5. P5, which is C bar D, covers minterms 1, 5, and 9. P6, which is a bar B C D, covers minterm 7. P7, which is A B C D bar, covers minterm 14. Essential prime implicants cover unique minterms. Finally, we derive the minimized expression. Starting with the original function f of a, b, c, d equals the sum of minterms 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 14. Through the Quine-McCluskey method, this reduces to the minimized function f equals a bar b bar c bar plus a bar c bar d plus a bar b c d plus a b c d bar plus b bar c bar d bar. Therefore, the function has been reduced from 10 minterms to 5 prime implicants using a systematic tabular method. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.